What's up? What's up? What's up? Yeah, I am excited. You want to know why I am excited? Because two of the most favorite things that I love to chomp down on and eat, yes, that would be lasagna and spaghetti. So I just woke up this morning and I just said to myself, I was like, self, let's look up and see what is the best reviewed Italian restaurant here in the city of roses. Yeah, we about to get off into this to see what these roses smelling like. I hope it don't smell like ooh ooh ooh. But but the lasagna. Look at that lasagna. It looks so good. And when I say it look good, it look good, smell good, and ooh, ooh, ooh. Didn't it taste good? Yes, it did. It tastes so good. That lasagna now, to me, whenever I'm eating food and and I don't have to add no salt, pepper, and all that stuff. If I don't have to really be bothered with adding none of that, then you know what I'm saying? You on to something, okay? So with the lasagna, I did not have to add nothing, but me, I love extra pepper. I love extra pepper anyway when I'm eating my lasagna and spaghetti. So I didn't have to add nothing to that. I decided to just chill with the water and the cup that they give you your drink in. You can just, it's already put in a cup for you to just take home. You don't have to ask for no to go cup. So I like that because when she bought the cup out, I was like, can I take this? Can I take this cup home with me? The one that you gave? She was like, yeah, let me give you a top. But let me give you a lid. But now the meatballs in the spaghetti, it was seasoned good. It tastes good. But the spaghetti, oh my goodness. Okay. The spaghetti for me, to my liking, they could have put just a little bit more seasoning in it, but I don't know though. It was like when I did end up putting some like salt, adding something else extra to it and start stirring it around. I don't know. It was like that had brought the flavor out a little bit more, but I don't know. I kept on trying to just take bites of it to see if I could just kind of just feel it a little bit more than what I was feeling it, you know what I'm saying? Because like I said, I just loves my spaghetti. So I was just like, oh, but trust and believe it's not going to waste because who don't waste money is me. So, so I had to just put some cheese on there. And like I said, I put some salt on it. I just end up putting some more salt on it and putting some pepper, but for me, like I said, they could have just seasoned it a little bit more. But for somebody else though, it was probably just just fine if it was somebody else. But so to each his own. But me, I just wanted some extra seasoning in it. So I'm not gonna say them spaghetti roses were smelling like ooh, ooh, ooh. I would say the spaghetti roses was just a ooh. I ain't gonna say ooh, 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 but I'm gonna say ooh. But the lasagna was so good. So this restaurant, Rotolo's. Yeah. Rotolo's pizzeria on Broadway, deep in the South. Deep in the South. Yeah, yeah. Because I stay way yonder way. So, yeah. But it was cool. I'm going to go back and get the lasagna. I'm not going to get the spaghetti again. But I'll probably try something else anyway when I go back, though, too. Because they got, like, wings, lemon pepper wings and all that. They got all different kind of other stuff. So I'll probably go back and try something else with the lasagna. But the spaghettis, I'm going to have to let you stay in the kitchen. But the meatballs tasted good, and the little old bread and stuff, which, the bread tasted good. Nice environment. They were all nice and stuff, and the seating is nice. But yeah, it's way out there. Yeah, see that lasagna. But the spaghetti, nah, the spaghetti will be wavy. But yeah, it's deep in the South on Broadway. If you ever coming through a little old town of the City of Roses, and you want to you're looking for a good Italian spot and want to just get you some good food, gonna stop by Rotolo's Pizzeria. Yeah, that's what that is.